Hello, I'm Dennis Loewen with Metis Real Estate, standing in a kitchen. Not just any kitchen, it's the kitchen at Standish Drive, the brand new home in Cambrian that we have listed for sale. Over 3,000 square feet, has all the stats and amenities you expect in a beautiful new home. Let's check it out. Really hope you enjoyed the tour. Virtual tours are amazing. Most importantly, you have to come and see this home. It's so grand and magnificent that you need to appreciate being and experiencing the space in order to have the most impact and understand how wonderful it is. Please contact us, reach out. We're fully available for you to come tour. Thank you.